Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining exactly what you need: mood, BPM, and length. Once done, target license types that remove copyright risk, public domain or CC0 if possible, CC BY if you can credit. Open a trusted library and use filters for license, duration, and tempo so your results are immediately usable. Make sure to note whether the track allows commercial use and syncing to video. This focused start prevents wasted previews and keeps you compliant from the first download. Once you have candidates, verify ownership by reading the license text and saving a screenshot or copy of the license with the track. Listen strategically. Preview waveforms and timestamps to confirm loop points and usable edits. Make short test edits to ensure the track fits your cut without abrupt fades. Also inspect metadata and author credits to detect rouploads or claims. If anything is unclear, message the uploader for written confirmation before incorporating into your final video. Finalize by exporting the audio into your project format and placing the license proof in the same folder. Make sure your project credits reflect required attribution exactly as the license mandates. Back up all files and screenshots in cloud storage so you can retrieve proof quickly. If a copyright notice appears later, present your saved license and communications immediately. If unresolved, replace the track and re-upload. This approach closes the loop and minimizes claims while keeping your workflow reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.